Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that there is a very nice bounce that happened today. When you stop and think that at one point the price was all the way down there, and then the price eventually closed up there, any rational person can say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice bounce on the day. However, that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 53.5. So why is 53.5 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 53.5. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, pulls back a little bit, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low right there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as 53.5. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to get continuation, where are some of these key levels at from a resistance standpoint? As it stands right now, there's actually quite a bit of history as far as where the sellers are hanging out right here at 57 cents. I mean, you go back through the history of the chart, and you can see on multiple occasions the bulls have tried to break above this area, and just for whatever reason, that is where the sellers have decided to hang out. So going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week, 57 cents is public enemy number one, but no doubt about it, very nice bounce today. And as long as the price continues to show progress and make progress, then everything else will start to take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.